Hello everyone, my name is Minnie Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about structure of Indian economy for UGC NET. Growth of Indian economy has been structured through their sectors, and sectors of Indian economy mainly divided into three parts: primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. One by one we discuss about each, and we will also see their latest share in GDP of India and providing employment. First of all, we are going to talk about primary sector. Primary sector, also known as agriculture sector. Primary sector directly interact with natural supplies and material like soil, wood, wild, etc. And occupation of primary sectors are farming, oil and gas extraction, fishing, mining, logging, hunting and forestry. And agriculture sector always a backbone of Indian economy. But share of agriculture sector in GDP of India is continuous declining because of growth in other sectors like manufacturing and service sector. According to fiscal year 2024, agriculture sector share in India gross value added was around 18%. And according to economic survey from 2023 to 24, more than 45% of India's workers employed in agriculture sector. Now we are going to talk about secondary sector. Secondary sector also known as manufacturing sector, and secondary sector do production of finished goods, and secondary sector include industries like manufacturing industries, construction industries, etc. And secondary sector receive material from primary sector, then processed, prepared and convert this material into high value product. Since liberalization, there has been rapid growth in manufacturing and industrial sector in India, and economic liberalization in India was introduced in July 1991, and under liberalization unnecessary control and restriction was removed in industrial sector. That's why since liberalization there has been rapidly growth in manufacturing and industrial sector in India. In 2023 to 24, industrial sector contributed 27.6% to India's gross value added at current price. Manufacturing sector grew by 9.9% in 2023 to 24, and construction activities also grew by 9.9%. And major employment providing industries are food product, textile, basic metal and wearing apparels. And according to economic survey from 2023 to 24, 11.4% of India's workforce is employed in manufacturing sector and 13% is in construction sector. From past decades, employment in these sectors are reducing because of issues like bad loans. Next is tertiary sector. Tertiary sector also known as service sector, and tertiary sector mainly provides services rather than producing commodity. Tertiary sector mainly provides services rather than producing commodity. And type of service sector are business service, social service and personal service. Business service include banking, insurance, transportation, warehousing, etc. Social service include health, education, police and fire services. Personal services depend on customer preferences. For example, recreational services, tourism services, restaurant services, etc. Service sector is very important sector for India. Now we will see role of service sector in Indian economy. Contribution in GDP. Service sector contribute over 50% in GDP of India. But COVID pandemic had very adverse impact on service sector. Contribution to employment. Because of service sector, so many employment increasing in India, and it provide jobs to 30.7% of India's population. Health and education sector. These are most largest and challenging sector, and health and education services are provided by both private as well as public sector. And India's healthcare industry has been growing at the compound annual growth rate of around 22% since 2016. Now we see travel and tourism. Tourism is a major engine of economic growth and important sources of foreign exchange earning. And tourism is the largest service industry in India. And its contribution in India's GDP is 6.23%. And it's provide total employment of 8.78%. Contribution to export. India's service export accounted for 44% of country's total export in 2024 and it ranking 5th globally. Service sector contributed about 55% to the gross value added in India during 2024, and service sector is major sources of employment in India and it provides jobs to 30.7% of India's population according to latest report. So this is all about structure of Indian economy. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.